Hey guys, I'm going to do question number 9, and then I'm going to take a break for a little bit. You can see here, it says graph the function f of x equals the absolute value of a half x plus 3 over the interval of -8 between a -8 and 0. Now, here's the part that gives most students trouble, this part right here. But whenever you're graphing and they give you an inequality, all that means is they don't want the entire graph. They only want the piece of the graph between a -8 and 0. Now, so first of all, we know it's a function, so we're going to go to the function. Let's get rid of all this stuff, menu 14, and then let's set it back to the original window, menu 45. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to enter this inequality, or I'm going to enter this equation, and I'm going to use this inequality. Now, I only want a piece of it. So as soon as you know that, you can go here. Well, we got to go here first, and then we're going to go here, and we're going to use this. And we only have 2 pieces, so just delete 2 of the boxes. And then you're just going to enter in the first box this part. So it's going to be the absolute value. And then we're going to do control divide to get the stack fraction. So it's going to be 1 over 2. And it's going to be x plus 3. And then we're going to get outside of here. We're going to tab outside and go over to the other box. And we're just going to type in this inequality. So it's going to be a -8. And then it's going to be less than or equal to x. And then less than or equal to, again, 0. And then we just press enter. And that's what it looks like. That's what we need to do. Now, you can do this a bunch of ways. The way that I like to do it is I like to just try to match up these points. So if you count, this is 0. I'm going to make this bigger. So if you look at this, you can see this is the origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One of the vertex is going to be at 6. So let me do that. So I'm just going to go here. Well, I'm going to go here and I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put a point there. And then if I look at my graph again, I know that here's another point right here. If I go 1, 2, 3 up, I got 1, 2, 3, here's a point. And then I know I got a point here, then I got another point here, and then I've got a point over here. So this is going to be it. So I would just connect this, and then I would connect this. And that's the graph. That's all I need to do. This is 2 points. This is 2 freaking points, an easy 2 points. They don't want arrows because they don't want the whole thing. Don't do that. They only want a piece of it. They want the piece between a -8 and 0. That's it. That's all you have to do on this. The key is recognizing when you see this inequality here, they're telling you, I don't want the whole graph. I just want a piece of it. So you're going to use the piecewise function part. That's it. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this one.